Hey, good evening, everybody. Uh, Welcome to this new version of Terra 1.4. It's still not finished, but I still wanted to show you what I've been doing this weekend. So, to put you in context, I've been working on this mini Minecraft game for 1 week and 1 day since past Monday. And I started adding some survival elements like basic crafting and at least fall damage. You cannot still kill the pigs and cook them and eat them, but hey, they go around and they do their stuff, you know? Yeah, they are cute as fuck. It's funny because they can spawn all around in the island, of course in the top layer, not in the caves, of course. So that means they will spawn maybe in floating small islands like this, and they will be trapped in here forever unless they decide to kill themselves. They sometimes do that. I don't know why. They are coded so they cannot fall if they don't detect like blocks below the edge, but they still sometimes kill themselves. Anyway, so yeah, one cool thing I added, I will try it first with the small tree. It's tree falling, tree chopping, tree whatever, you know, like in Minecraft you need to break them one by one block. Then you can download mods so you can chop them and the entire tree disappears as you chop it. So I decided they disappear block by block because I think it's a pretty cool effect, and as you can see it doesn't affect uh, the optimization, at least for now, even if you chop like a massive one. I'm not gonna do that because it starts with the sound like, so yeah, I'm not gonna do that. Look at this motherfucker jumping. So yeah, here we have the crafting. It's more like Terraria instead of that Minecraft because I like it more. So you will be able to approach like a crafting table, for example, go to the inventory and see the available craftings. For now there is no crafting table, just all the craftings you can make them from your raw inventory. So yeah, you will be able, well, you are able to select what you want to make. In this case, with logs we can make wood planks, and as you can see, one log makes 4 wood planks. Gonna craft the maximum, and then from that we can craft a door. If we get now sand, if we get sand now we can craft glass, and it gives you 12. And you can see now there is this preview before adding a block to the world. Let's make a door because it looks better to show this. So yeah, now here we have, for example, the door. And in the previous version, when you looked at the block and press the R button, it will rotate the block that you are looking at. But in here I chose, so before placing the block, you can rotate it. As you can see, we can place it, and the next block will have the same rotation. So now that we have this little survival, let's make our first little house in survival. Look! Look at all the cubes floating at the same time, even floating on top of themselves. And the game still runs, let's see, at 38 FPS. It's not that bad. I think it could be worse. Okay, maybe it's a little bit insane. But hey, it's a first version, you know? We have 3 stacks of leaves. By the way, I decided that the stacks in here are based from maximum of 100, unless it's other blocks like bed or door, then it's less. But because I think it's gonna be easier to count from 100 to 100, you know, instead of 64 by 64, because not everyone is aware of computer stuff. Not everyone knows that 64 by plus 64 it's 128, then 256, then 512, etc. So yeah, I decided to make it this way. yeah, let's build the first house. By the way, as I finish building the house, I need to explain you some things, and is that when I'm making the game in the Unity engine, some stuff in the engine looks and feels different than when I export the game, because I don't fucking know, programming, whatever. So there are stuff like, for example, when you break a block. Fuck, I don't have enough. Oh yeah, I do. When I try to break a block in the editor, it's properly coded, so if I don't finish breaking it, it will go to its place as it's happening now. But sometimes, yeah, do you see that they get displaced? Well, that for some reason it's coded to be fixed, and in editor it works, but when I export the game, it breaks. And some craftings don't appear for some reason. But yeah, um, it's stuff that I still need to figure out how to solve before I release the version, the official 1.4 version. And until I don't finish it, it's gonna be a preview. You can download a preview version of this version on the description in my webpage, and in there you will find also the roadmap and see everything I am working on and some extra stuff. So if you want to try the game, it's available in the description with this other stuff I'm mentioning. So I hope you enjoyed it. As you can see, I also added a night skybox. And yeah, see you on the next video. If you are interested on this project, you can subscribe to this channel. I will keep uploading more videos like this and the trailers for the next versions, and keep everyone updated on the game. So yeah, see you in the next video. Bye!